Good evening and welcome to Open House. Our staff is very excited for this evening. You will be following your child's schedule and meeting all of his or her teachers. It's a great and wonderful night. You should have your child's schedule. If not, please contact us in the main office and we will help you with that. In addition, we have about 20 high school students who are getting service hours this evening. They will be in a green shirt and able to help you because this building is a little bit tricky with all of our different numbers and levels and all of those types of things. I'd like to introduce a few people that are going to be speaking here this night to everyone. First, I'd like to introduce Kelsey McKinney. Kelsey is our new mental health provider here out of Cincinnati Children's Hospital. Welcome, Kelsey.
Thanks, Dr. Ray. So my role here at the junior high is to provide mental health services to our students. If you feel that your child needs mental health services, I'll be providing school-based therapy to our students here. If you are interested, you can contact your student's guidance counselor, and I will get with you after that to schedule an intake. And then we'll be seeing students daily, probably one time a week for each student.
Thank you, Kelsey. Now I'd like to introduce our Flight Fest chairs. Flight Fest is our annual fundraiser. On the one day, we raise lots of money that goes directly back to our kids and our staff. Thank you.
Hello, I am Michelle Ciatola.
And I'm Diane Vanderbrink, and we are the parent co-chairs of the PTO's Aviator Flight Fest, our school's major fundraiser, which is going to be held on Saturday, October 19th at 8 a.m. Money raised from this fundraiser goes towards the 20-plus clubs and activities offered to our 7th and 8th grade students, along with other school initiatives.
We would like to take this opportunity to highlight some major Flight Fest updates. We have a 2K race in addition to our 5K and 10K races. There will be no post-race festival. Instead, we will have a Spirit Week that kicks off with a party at Main Event on Monday, October 14th. We will continue the week with fun daily activities, ending with a pep rally on Friday where our own band, Everlasting Monsoon, will perform. We will announce the winners of the scavenger hunt contest at the pep rally on Friday as well.
The scavenger hunt is a way to increase awareness about Flight Fest and also get our students more involved in their own school fundraiser. It's only for Sycamore Junior High students and begins on Friday, September 27th. Teams of 3 to 5 can download the free interactive app on their phones and select missions to complete for points.
So how can you support this event? 1, go to aviatorflightfest.com and sign up for the race. If you sign up now, you will be entered into a drawing where the first 100 applicants enter a raffle. 2 are selected to win prizes of up to $100 in gift cards.
2, you can go to aviatorflightfest.com and make a monetary family donation.
3, if you have services or goods that you can donate to our online silent auction, please contact us. Also, shop the online silent auction.
4, you can volunteer your time. A sign-up genius will be coming soon in the Sycamore Junior High s'more.
Number 5, shop at Kenwood Altered State. We have partnered with this store location to become one of their Mission Monday organizations. That means a part of the proceeds from sales on Mondays, only Mondays, goes towards our Flight Fest fundraiser. That runs now through October 7th.
Look for our flight plan direct mailer to come in your home mailbox the second week of September, and this is going to include important dates, links, and specific information about Spirit Week and the race. Together, let's make this the best Flight Fest yet.